Hello and welcome to the April edition of TUM Student Newst. This month we're talking sustainability, competitions, campus events and an important safety warning you should not miss. TUM Sustainability Day is happening on the 29th of April. The afternoon is lecture-free, so swing by Campus Garking for talks, challenges and our big sustainability fair with brezen, beer and plenty of chances to get involved. Our free summer learning workshops are now online. If you want to boost your study skills before the semester kicks off, check out the program and save your spots early. TUM pays for your trip to Estonia. Take part in the EuroTeQ egg drop competition on EuroTeQ Day, the 23rd of April, to win a trip to the Student Summer Games in Estonia this June. Also on the 23rd of April, it's Girls' Day. TUM is hosting hands-on sessions for girls and young women, from lab experience to quantum science, AI and satellite technology. Check the event schedule and share the info to anyone interested in exploring STEM up close. A quick but important scam alert. Police have reported targeted fraud attempts against Asian students in Munich. If someone pressures you about stolen identity or visa issues, it's fake. When in doubt, call 110. And before you go, you can find all the news from today in the description. For the links, check the story highlights. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your semester break, and we'll be back in a couple of weeks with more TUM Student News.